Shakeology Review The Healthiest Meal, by K.E. Davis, www.supershakereview.org. The Shakeology Review will explain how Shakeology can help with weight loss and will provide tips on how you can buy Shakeology. Although I rave about P90X, the truth is that I could not have lost weight doing P90X alone. A balanced diet was required to see the results I craved. Without the diet, my workout efforts would have been lost. It is difficult to maintain a balanced diet at all times. Life is extremely busy, especially as a mom, wife, and full-time employee. That is where Shakeology comes to the rescue. As I write the Shakeology Review, I am no longer craving the unhealthy foods I used to crave on a daily basis. This is because Shakeology not only helps you to lose the weight fast, but also reduces your cravings for sweets and other unhealthy foods and stops overeating. It is a quick way to grab something to eat on the go and is a great replacement for fast food that we tend to rely on in a bind. Shakeology tastes great, and when used as a part of your regular diet, it can help you lose weight, feel energized, improve digestion and regularity, and lower your cholesterol. Shakeology is a protein shake, meal replacement, antioxidant, and vitamin regimen all wrapped up into one package. It is known as a drink that acts like a salad, but tastes like a dessert. Key ingredients in Shakeology include protein and essential amino acids to help build long, lean muscles and reduce food cravings. Prebiotics and digestive enzymes, which aid in improving digestion, regularity, and nutrient absorption. Antioxidants and phytonutrients to help counteract damage that can lead to degenerative diseases. Vitamins and minerals your body needs to function for best possible health. For best results, it is recommended that you replace one meal with Shakeology, exercise at least 3 times a week, and maintain a balanced diet with your other meals throughout the day. People who followed this plan for 90 days lost 10 pounds and 2 inches of their waist on average. It is known to have doubled weight loss results for many. The best thing about Shakeology is that it does not get boring like other meal replacements. There are 2 types, chocolate and greenberry. Chocolate is most popular and tastes just like a chocolate shake or a fudge pop. It tastes great with water or milk and ice. However, there are a ton of recipes available to make it even more interesting. Some recipes include chocolate Shakeology and peanut butter, chocolate-covered strawberries, and even chocolate Shakeology pancakes. Additional tips: get the discount. If you like it, save 25% when you buy Shakeology, or any Beachbody product, and make money on sales by becoming a coach. The savings on Shakeology make it worth it whether or not you actually participate with coaching. Have it shipped home direct so you never run out and you benefit from free shipping. It can seem a little pricey, however, if you break down a 30-day supply it averages out to about $3 $4 a shake. Considering the benefits, it's a good value. Most store-bought smoothies cost the same or more and don't have nearly any of the same ingredients or health benefits. Also, $3 $4 is a great price for a meal on the go and is cheaper than most fast food options. Bottom of the bag guarantee €1 by Shakeology today and you have 30 days to try it. If you're not satisfied, return it for a refund, even if the bag is empty. Chain is an independent Beachbody coach. Like the Shakeology Review? Looking further information on Shakeology? Want to buy Shakeology or other Beachbody products from a coach that will support you every step of the way? Or maybe you want to hear more about the Beachbody home-based business opportunity that allows you to work from home. For all this information and more, visit Dream Body Dream Life today. For all this information and more, visit www.supershakereview.org today. Music by Kevin MacLeod.